So you know when you come across one of those little products on the internet that you get really excited about? Well, this is one of them, and I've found it. It's called the Yorktown tool roll by a company called Atlas46. It's an American-made tool roll, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. And the guys at A247 in Australia are starting to bring them into Australia, and of course New Zealand as well. They'll send us one to give you a little bit of a review on. So first impressions so far, you've got all these handy compartments and really nice zips. On the other side, there's all sorts of compartments for spanners and things like that. So believe it or not, this clunky old thing here is the toolkit that we carry around on all of our trips. Some screwdrivers and a few other bits and pieces, and that's about 90% of what we've got. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw them all in here and give you a little bit of a review on how it works. So first things first, let's find out what's in all of these boxes we've got. We've got a whole box of screwdrivers. So I'm going to tip those out. And then let's find out what I've been hiding in here for years, because there's quite a bit of stuff in here. Get rid of that. Let's see if we can get it all into this tool roll. Cool, well now that whole mess is cleaned up and the tool roll's all set up, it took a little bit of organisation to figure out exactly where everything was going to fit into, but now that it's all got its own place, it should be no problems. Of course throughout the years it's probably going to change a little bit, and I'm pretty amazed that that big pile of stuff all fit into here. So let me show you exactly where I've put everything. First thing you notice when you unroll the tool roll, little compartments, it's all YKK zips. And the stitching and everything seems to be really high quality. But first pocket, man's best invention, cable ties, a few random bits and pieces, electrical connectors, tape, things like that. Second compartment I've got screwdrivers, and then I've got a full intricate electrical repair system, a soldering iron, soldering wire of course, electrical testers, snips, all that kind of stuff, because I seem to always be fixing bits and pieces. And then I've got sockets, extensions, the whole lot. You name it, all metric, imperial, they're all in there. And then down the bottom in the last compartment, there's some pipe wrench, there's a paint pen for marking bolts, there's a file, there's a few other bits and pieces in there as well, where it would fit. You flip it over, and then it's got these handy little pockets for spanners. So in there I've got all my different size spanners all ranged in order. There's a few crescents in there, ratchet spanners, because once you've used ratchet spanners, you'd never go back to normal spanners. And then you spin it round, and then you've got another bunch of pockets with a bunch of different pliers and things like that. So I've got snips, and I've got long nose pliers, needle nose pliers, normal pliers. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this whole setup. Looking forward to having it on the next adventure. It's got this handy strap, you just lift it up and the whole thing actually rolls itself up and makes it quite easy to pack up. But thanks to the boys from A247. If you want to find more out about this product, it's just a247.com, stands for Adventure 24/7. Their boys are from Australia, but they're also importing the stuff to New Zealand. So jump on their website, highly recommend the tool roll. I've already found a nice little place where I'm going to put it. So it'll live in there from now on, and looking forward to having it along on all of our adventures to come.